Hello, welcome everyone. How are you all? I hope you are safe and sound. Let us move on your second chapter, Microsoft Windows 7, the control panel. First, let us see what is control panel and what is it work. Control means to manage and next is the panel means sort of a dialog box. Means sorting of a dialog box is known as the control panel. So, together it is known as the control panel. Control panel is a dialog box used to manage everything for the Windows operating system. If you want to make any changes in a setting, you go to where? In a control panel. It is used to control most Windows command and feature using various options in the control panel. Then, how you will open control panel? You will see, click on the start button and on the right side you will get here desktop option. You have to click here in a control panel option. After clicking on the control panel option, when you click on this control panel option, your screen look like this. Now by default the control panel is displayed in a category view. It is a category view. You can see here is the category, large icon, small icon is there. Here is the three option is there, but default option is the category option. If you will click on the large icon, your screen you will look like this. If you will click on the small icon, your screen look like this. And category option is the default option. You can see here. Now there are total of 8 categories here. Total of 8 settings are here. One is the system and security setting. Second one is the network and internet. Third one is the hardware and sound. Fourth one is the programs. Fifth one is the user account and family safety. Sixth one is the appearance and personalization. Seventh one is the clock language and region. And eighth one is the ease of access. These are the 8 categories, 8 settings. First one is the system and security. It is used for setting the overall operation and security of a Windows 7. It is used for setting the overall operation and for a security means we can change the password of a computer from here. Next is the network and internet. It is used for setting the interaction between various computers connected to your computer. Means you can connect your computer. For that setting you can go from here. Next is the hardware and sound. It is used to adjust the setting of the all hardware devices attached to your computer such as the keyboard, printer and mouse. This is the main parts of our computer. That's why we can change the setting from here. It is also used to control the sound setting, also you can change from here. Next is the program. It is the program. Any program you can install and uninstall from here. Okay. Next is the user account and family safety. It is used to manage various users and store their preferred setting. How many users is using your computer? You can add or remove from here. Next is the appearance and personalization. This option is used to change the desktop background, change the screensaver, change the window color. We can change desktop setting from here. Next is the clock language and region. It is used to change the date, time, language setting of your computer and also to change the region where the computer is being used. From here you can change the date and time setting. Next is the ease of access. It is used by differently abled user. Some of the inbuilt features are text to speech and user input. We can change from here. We can go setting here, ease of access center, speech recognition. We can change from here. These are the settings of the computer in a control panel. We can see one by one First is the changing date and time setting. How to change the date and time setting? We can see changing date and time setting. For that, let us learn to change the date and time setting. To change the date and time setting, you have to go here in the clock, language and region option. After clicking on the clock, language and region option, you have to go in date and time option. You can see your screen, date and time window will open, and here you can see 3 tabs are there. One is the date and time, second one is the additional clock, and third one is the internet time. These are the 3 tabs are here, and you can change the date and time. You can see change date and time. You have to click here first. After clicking on the change date and time option, you can select date from, change the date from here, and you can change the time from here, AM, PM, like this. After clicking on the OK button, your date and time will change from here. Now I am not changing, you can change from here. Next is the changing time zone. To change the time zone setting, follow this step. Click on the change time zone button to open the time zone setting. It is the change time zone option is there. It is also in a date and time option. Okay. Then here is the change time zone option is there. Now you are in India, that's why Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, this option you will get. You can select and change the time of the any country. Okay, now already I changed. You can see 2 clock I have in a taskbar, and it will come on the taskbar. Here is my 3 clock. It is India clock, and it is that different clock is there. You can see India timing and other country timing. You can change the two timing of any country. You can change from here. For that, what you have to do, you can see, click on the drop down arrow to open the time zone like this, and then select the suitable time zone for your region from this list of the option. Okay, now my Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi is there, and after that click on OK. In this way you can change the time zone of the clock. Is it clear, students? Now today we learn introduction of control panel. What is a control panel and how to open a control panel, and what are the setting of the control panel in date and time also. Okay, now we will stop.